So let's take a quick look at number plates in the UK and what all the numbers and letters mean. So in the UK, the front plates are white and the rear plates are yellow. Black number plates with white or silver characters are permitted on older cars if registered under the historic vehicle taxation class constructed prior to 1980. And currently within the UK itself, there are two systems, one for Great Britain, whose current format dates from 2001, and another for Northern Ireland, which is similar to the original 1904 system. So the first two letters are the DVLA memory tag or area code, consisting of two letters which together indicate the local registration office. By December 2013, all local offices had closed, but the letters still represent a region. The letters I, Q and Z are not used as local office identifiers, though O is still needed for Oxford. Z can only be used as a random letter. The first of these two letters is mnemonic, standing for the name of the broad area where the registration office was located. This is intended to make the registration more memorable than an arbitrary code. You can find a car's age using the third and fourth digits on the number plate. They will either be the last two digits of the year of release, 17 for cars released March 17, for example, or the last two digits plus 50 for cars released in September, so 67 for cars released in September 17. And for our example above, it's 57, so the car is from September 2007. So the final three letters, which are picked at random, uniquely distinguishes each of the vehicles displaying the same initial 4-character area and age sequence. The letters I and Q are excluded from the 3-letter sequence. Hope that helps.